Hello family, this is Beverly Black, and how is everyone doing tonight? I hope everyone is doing well. Tonight I am making a pound cake, and I almost forgot to even turn on the cameras. But the pound cake I'm making tonight is a 7-flavor pound cake. That's right, 7 flavors. And the ingredients for this pound cake are 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 6 eggs at room temperature, 4 sticks of salted butter at room temperature, 3 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of whipping cream. And the flavors that we will be using tonight are using, well, some people be seeing this in daytime, afternoon, different times. Rum flavored, coconut, butter, almond, lemon, vanilla, and if you don't have cream bouquet, don't worry about it. I just throw in a little bit of this in my cakes. And there, did I tell you the 4 sticks of butter? And here is all the ingredients. And we're getting ready to start doing the butter and the sugar, mixing it together. We're getting ready to, I have the 4 sticks of butter in here. I'm going to mix them up. Then I will start adding the 3 cups of sugar. Now I'm going to start adding the 3 cups of sugar. And we'll beat this until fluffy. Now the sugar and the butter has mixed together, and we're going to add the 6 eggs, 1 at a time. It is time now to start adding the 3½ cups of all-purpose flour and the heavy whipping cream, and I have put the vanilla the 7 flavors in the whipping cream. And the 7 flavors are almond, lemon, butter, coconut, rum, and vanilla. So those are the flavors. And you start with, when you start putting the flour mixtures in, you start with flour and you end with the flour. And we'll end with 1/2 cup of flour. I forgot to tell you to preheat your oven to 325, and it will bake between 1 hour and 20 minutes and 1 hour and 30 minutes, depending on your oven. The cake batter is ready. I have my pan greased and it is ready to be filled. It's real fluffy and creamy. I am going to have to clean my sides off. Shake it up. Oh, I got cake mix everywhere. Shake it up some more. So it'll be even. And pat it a little bit on the bottom to get the air bubbles. I will be back when the cake is done. The cake is out of the oven and we're going to let it cool here for 10 minutes and then I will flip it onto the cake plate. The cake is out of the pan and I have flipped it and here she is. She still has to cool off, but this is the 7 flavor pound cake. 7 flavor pound cake. I would like to thank everyone who has watched this video. I appreciate you being here. I don't think I'm going to put a glaze on it, but I might. I don't know as of yet. But if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe and please hit that like button and leave a comment below and tell me what you think. So everyone be blessed and prosperous. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece. Everyone be blessed. Can you smell the aroma? I decided to cut me a slice of this cake after I closed out this video. I could not help it. I want to just see how it is. The top is real crunchy. Oh, wait. Here it is. Will you look at that? Here is the inside. You can see it. Here, ooh, look. Oh yes, this is good, very good, and doesn't need any glaze on it. The 7 flavored pound cake. Make it for the holiday.